What's up guys, it's Claude from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to connect our Gmail with Claude AI, so you can let Claude do some tools for us. For example, reply some emails, resume some emails, share some feedbacks, for example, do some follow-ups in automatic, by the way. So first thing, go to Google and type Claude, go to the first result. Right here we're gonna review the upper right corner of our screen. Okay, click on it. Sorry, the upper left corner of our screen. Then we're gonna move to customize. Then into the customize we have skills and connectors. We're gonna click on connectors. According to the service that you are using, you can click into this plus button next to the search icon and go to browse connectors. There is thousands, maybe hundreds of connectors right here, okay? And you may be using a different email service and you're gonna be able to find it right here or on the search. I'm using the Gmail, so we're gonna click on Gmail and click on connect. You need to choose your account. You need to confirm that you agree, and you need to let Claude have access to all the features, okay? Because you want to Claude have full power over your email, because of course you need to schedule some tasks. Click on continue. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of permissions. It needs approval, or you can always allow. Up to you. You can change this all by the way. And you have all to always allow into read-only tasks. Then if you go back to the Claude, you're gonna be able to see from Gmail. And here is some suggestions. Let me know how I can be more persuasive on my email, create missed connectors. It's all about your needs, okay? And there is some suggestions. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. Just a final note, in the case you want to remove this connection, all you have to do is go back to customize, connectors, Gmail, and right here you're going to be able to see the option to disconnect, okay? And it is. Goodbye.